Good morning. Brittany Webb, CEO of Be Creative Systems and author and creator of Prompt Therapy. I had a pretty late night last night. We got a lot of things going on I'm super excited about. But not only that, I jumped into my prompt therapy session last night at 12:30 in the morning before I even went to bed for my 4 a.m. typical one. But I had finished my book again. I don't know, I just taking the time to write the book and go through it line by line, and then the time in between when it gets published and then it gets printed. And I like to just sit with it and read it back, mostly looking for mistakes, but I'm trying to work on that. But what I did find when I was reading it back was how God has been orchestrating this entire thing from the very beginning, and the countless days and nights that I wish that I wasn't going to admit right now that I was worried and that I was nervous and that I did not. I see more of what he was doing now, looking back, than obviously along the way. But it just has me just awestruck at how amazing our God is and how our plans, I know this, I've lived this. I mean, I'm seasoned enough to have lived through enough that God has been there and he's had bigger, better plans for me all along. But this mess that I peacefully walked away from 18 months ago, that I thought would wreck my world. And I'm not gonna lie, it has not been the easiest with 3 kids and a family and trying to find my way. But I have been so blessed with the most amazing people that God has put in my life, and to walk this path with and build with and heal with and grow with, and just, oh my gosh, like I'm so happy. I'm so proud. I'm so grateful. I'm just in awe. I'm in awe of all the pieces that he had put in motion way before I even trusted him to step out of my job, way before. And the way it's all come together and the way it's all coming together. And no matter what happens from it from here on out, like I've done the work. I've put in the time. I've put in my brain power. I've maximized it with AI efficiency. I mean, we've got IP, we've got books, we've got courses, we've got merch, we've got an agency, we've got the team that's behind it. We have an app that we're building that's, I mean, I know I have a lot of words, but I don't even know that they're going anywhere because I'm just in awe. I'm just so thankful. And if you've been following me and my all over the placeness and my really and truly, the book I wrote that we started early this year, 8 months ago, the thoughts, the vision, the direction has stayed the same. It's evolved to include more, and it's iterated a few times. But what we set in motion, what God set in motion through my vision, it's still very there and very clear. And the stuff that is being built and the stuff that's already been built and ready to go. I'm just ready to go. I'm ready to see where this goes, and I hope that you are ready to be on this journey with me, because I'm so thankful for you too, because it takes a village and it takes support, and every like and every share and every add a girl and every text that I get, it just makes me feel so warm and fuzzy. And I'm just gonna leave it at that today. And I don't know if I'm all in my feels because I got a senior that's having his last home game today, but I've got a lot of things to be excited and proud about, and I'm really grateful and counting my blessings today. So cheers to our beautiful, wonderful life, and with God on our side. And for me, with business and life right now, it's God, chat, and me, and we're unstoppable. So if you want to know how it all went down, I am happy to have a coffee chat and tell you. But yeah, just really thankful. Have a wonderful day.